Evaluation. Answers. Maya used 50 centimeters of red ribbon and 28 centimeters of blue ribbon to make a flower. How much ribbon did she use in all? Answer in meters. Let's add 50 centimeters and 28 centimeters. 50 centimeters plus 28 centimeters equals 78 centimeters. Convert 78 centimeters to meter. There are two steps going to the left from centimeter to meter. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. 78 centimeters equals 78 meters. The final answer is 78 meters. The length of ribbon Maya used in all in unit of meter. A 2.5K race is called a 2.5K because the race is 2.5 kilometers long. How many meters long is a 2.5K race? So, we have to convert 2.5 kilometers to meters. There are 3 steps going to the right from kilometer to meter. We have to move the decimal point 3 places going to the right. 2.5 kilometers equals 2,503 meters. Final answer, 2,503 meters. Dakota has a dresser that is 27 decimeters wide. She has a space for the dresser that is 3 meters wide. How many decimeters of space does she have? We only have to convert 3 meters to decimeter. To find out how many decimeters of space does she have, there is only one step going to the right, from meter to decimeter. So, we have to move the decimal point 1 places going to the right. 3 meter equals 30 decimeter. Final answer, 30 decimeter. Of space does she have? At the weekend, I took the dog for a 3.5 kilometers walk. I swam 275 meters at the leisure center and then drove 56 kilometers to visit my parents. How many kilometers did I travel? Walk equals 3.5 kilometers. Swam equals 275 meters. Drove equals 56 km. We only have to add all of these distances, but they are not similar in units. The final answer should be in kilometer. First, we must convert 275 meters to kilometer. There are 3 steps going to the left, from meter to kilometer. So, we have to move the decimal point 3 places going to the left. We can now add the 3 givens. 3.5 kilometers plus 275 kilometers plus 56 kilometers equals 59.775 kilometers. Final answer, 59.775 kilometers. Kilometers I travel. I cut 72 centimeters off a plank of wood 1.8 meters long. How much is left, in meters? We can't subtract 1.8 meters by 72 centimeters, because they are not similar in units. Based on the problem, the final answer should be in meters. So, let's convert 72 centimeters to meter. In order for us to subtract the two givens, there are two steps going to the left from centimeter to meter. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. 72 centimeters equals 0.72 m. Now, we can subtract the 1.8 meters by 0.72 meter. 1.8 meters. 72 meters equals 70.2 meters. Final answer, 70.2 meters. I buy 4 shelves measuring 1 meter each. Unfortunately, they are too long and I have trimmed them to fit. I cut 3.75 centimeters off each one. How much wood do I throw away altogether in meters? In every 1 meter I cut 3.75 centimeters and multiply it by 4, because there are 4 shelves measuring I meter each. 3.75 centimeters x 4 equals 15 centimeters, the total length of wood I thrown away. Convert 15 centimeter to meter. Because we are looking for an answer in meters, there are two steps going to the left from centimeter to meter. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. 15 centimeters equals 0.15 meter. Final answer, 0.15 meter. Length of wood I thrown away altogether in meters. Aaron and Noah wanted to have a contest to see which of their paper airplanes could fly the longest distance. Aaron's plane flew 4 meters. Noah's plane only flew 79 centimeters. How much further did Aaron's plane fly? Answer in cm. To know how further did Aaron's plane fly, let's first convert 4 meter to centimeter. There are two steps going to the left from centimeter to meter. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. Now, we can subtract 400 centimeters by 79 centimeters. Aaron's plane flew 400 centimeters. Minus Noah's plane flew 79 centimeters. The difference is 121 centimeters. Final answer, 121 centimeters. The total length of 4 similar rulers is 1.2 meters. What is the length of one such ruler in centimeters? 1.2 meters divided by 4 equals 0.3 meters, the length of one ruler. Then, we have to convert 0.3 meter to centimeter. There are two steps going to the left from centimeter to meter. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. 0.3 meters equals 30 centimeters. Final answer, 30 centimeters. The length of one ruler in centimeters. On Mark's desk, the bookmark in the Italian cookbook is 19 centimeters long. The bookmark in the history book is 1 centimeter longer than the bookmark in the Italian cookbook. How many decimeters long is the bookmark in the history book? Given, 19 centimeters is the length of the Italian cookbook. Let x equals length of the Italian cookbook, which is 19 centimeters. X plus 1 centimeter equals length of the history book, since the length of the history book is 1 centimeter longer than Italian cookbook. X plus 1 centimeter equals 19 centimeters plus 1 centimeter equals 20 centimeters is the length of the history book. Now, convert 20 centimeter to decimeter to know how many decimeters long is the bookmark in the history book. There is only one step going to the left, from centimeter to decimeter. We have to shift the decimal point 1 places going to the left. 20 centimeters equals 2 decimeter. Final answer, 2 decimeters long the bookmark in the history book. A string of 8.5 meters was cut into 2 equal parts. What was the length of each part in hectometers? 8.5 meters was cut into 2 equal parts, so 8.5 meters divided by 2 equals 4.25 meters. Convert 4.25 meters to hectometers. Because we are looking for the length of each part in hectometers, there are 2 steps going to the left, from meter to hectometer. So, we have to move the decimal point 2 places going to the left. 4.25 meters equals 0.0425 hectometer. Final answer, 0.0425 hectometer. The length of each part in hectometers. 15 centimeters equals 0.15 meter. Final answer, 0.15 meter. Every morning I run 2.8 kilometers. There are 7 days in 1 week. 2.8 kilometers x 7 equals 19.6 kilometers. We have to convert 19.6 kilometers to millimeters. To find how many millimeters will I run in a week? There are 6 steps going to the right, from kilometer to millimeter. So we have to shift the decimal point 6 places going to the right. 19.6 kilometers equals 19,600,000 millimeter. Final answer, 19,600,000 millimeters I will run in a week. Now, we can subtract 400 centimeters by 79 centimeters. Aaron's plane flew 400 centimeters. Given, length of the pencil is 125 millimeters. Length of the ruler is 3 times longer than the pencil. Let x be the length of the pencil. X equals 125 millimeter. 3x be the length of the ruler. If x equals 125 millimeters, 3x equals 3 times 125 millimeter equals 375 millimeters. Convert 375 millimeter to centimeter. There is only 1 step from millimeter to centimeter. So we have to move the decimal point 1 places going to the left. 375 millimeters equals 37.5 centimeters. Final answer, 37.5 centimeters. Length of the ruler in centimeters. Jerry's height is 1.60 meters. What is the height of Jerry in centimeters? Convert 1.60 meters to centimeters. To find the height of Jerry in centimeters, there are 2 steps going to the right, from meter to centimeter, so we are going to shift the decimal point 2 places going to the right. 1.60 meters equals 160 centimeters. Final answer, 160 centimeters. The height of Jerry in centimeters. We are driving to Las Vegas. The sign says that it is 145 kilometers to Las Vegas. How many meters is it to Las Vegas? We only have to convert 145 kilometers to meter. There are 3 steps going to the right from kilometer to meter. We have to move the decimal point 3 places going to the right. 145 kilometers equals 145,000 meters. Final answer, 145,000 meters.